In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set your theme in Slack so you can personalize your workspace and make it more comfortable to use every day. Whether you prefer dark mode, light mode, or a custom color theme, Slack makes it really easy to adjust the look and feel to match your style and reduce eye strain. This is especially helpful if you spend long hours chatting, collaborating, or managing projects inside Slack. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software tutorials just like this. All right, let's jump right in. First, make sure you're logged into your Slack workspace. Go ahead and open Slack in your browser or desktop app and land on the Slack homepage where you can see your channels and conversations. Once you're inside Slack, look toward the bottom left corner of the screen. Here, you'll see your profile icon with your workspace image or initials. Click on this profile icon to open up the account menu. This menu gives you access to your status, profile settings, and preferences. From this menu, click on Preferences. This will open a new window where Slack lets you control how the app looks and behaves, including notifications, accessibility, and appearance settings. Now that the Preferences window is open, look at the left-hand side menu and click on Appearance. This is where all the theme and visual customization options live. Inside the Appearance section, you'll see several theme options provided by Slack. You can scroll through the available themes and preview how each one looks instantly. Slack includes light themes, dark themes, and a variety of color combinations, so you can choose something that fits your personal taste or work environment. If you want something easier on the eyes, dark mode is a popular choice, especially if you work at night. When you find a theme you like, simply click on it. Slack will immediately apply the theme so you can see how it looks in real time. Once you're happy with your selection, click the Save button to confirm your choice. That's it. Your new Slack theme is now set, and your workspace will reflect the new colors across all channels and messages. You can come back to this menu at any time if you want to switch themes again or try something new. Customizing your theme can make Slack more enjoyable and help you stay focused during long work sessions. And that's how easy it is to set your theme in Slack. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.